In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a leg raise isometric hold. We're going to be doing a straight leg isometric hold with the legs. And what I'm going to be doing is showing you a couple of regressions as well if you can't quite do the exercise. So what can you do to work up to it? Now, firstly, you'll notice here, I've got a mat. I've also got a neck cushion here. Now, the neck cushion is completely optional, but for those of you that are maybe susceptible to neck pain when you do core exercises, or alternatively, maybe you're a beginner to core exercises, this is a fantastic little bit of kit that you can use to start to build up your endurance of the core, and then you can get rid of it as and when you see fit. Now, firstly, what I want to do is I want to come into a position where I'm on my back. I've got my head here on the cushion, and what I want you to do to start off with is you're going to bring your knees all the way up. So you're in this position, okay? Hands can be either to your sides, they can be directly to your sides, or they can be out away from the body. Doesn't matter which one you choose. And what I want you to do is slowly start to straighten out the legs until you're in that straight position. Now, this is the position that you're going to hold. Now, when you're doing it, you're looking for your lower back to be completely on the floor. So there should be no gap. I shouldn't be able to get my hand into the small of the lower back when I'm doing the exercise. Now, let's say, for example, you get into your position, you're going straight, and then in this position, you start to go, my lower back's rounding. What can you do to regress the exercise to make sure that in the future, you can progress to that variation? Well, what you can do, you could start off in this position and just start to come out and start to feel the point in which your lower back starts to give out. Let's say, for example, it's here. Go slightly before that and just hold that as an isometric contraction. So you'd hold that for your desired amount of seconds, okay? Now, in the future, when you next do it, you might want to progress it a little bit further until you've got that straight leg variation. So that's how to do a straight leg isometric hold and how to progress up to it if you can't do it to begin with.